Hey guys, my name is Radosh and today I'm gonna show you how to make ice cream. This recipe is super simple, calls for only 2 ingredients, so we're only gonna be using today sweetened condensed milk and whipping cream, and you're gonna get the base for a beautiful ice cream which you can later combine with chocolate, vanilla, strawberries, whatever you prefer. You're gonna be blown away by this recipe. So stick around for the next couple of minutes and let me show you how to make ice cream.
First, to prevent the whipping cream from splashing everywhere, we will cover the bowl with cling film and make a hole for the mixture. To that, we will add 500 ml of whipping cream and we will mix it on high until it's firm and fluffy. Now that that's done, optionally, you can add a splash of vanilla for flavor, and we will add 400 ml of sweetened condensed milk, and we will mix it all together. Now our base is done. To my ice cream, I will add about 70 grams of chopped roasted hazelnuts. Just mix it well to combine, place it in a Tupperware, and leave it to cool down for a few hours until solid. Now we can serve. You can add any toppings that you like to this. In mine, I will add a bit of melted chocolate. Bon appetit!
Hey guys, welcome back. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and as always, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you!